Hey-o.
We have a special unboxing. Oh, there's the Hudson Please paw.
Oh.
This was sent to us from our wonderful channel supporter, Beatriz Elena Designs.
Oh.
And she sent us something she made herself with resin. And she included treats for Hudson.
Very cool.
Of course. So now I did the dangerous, like, scissors and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So let's get to it.
Oh. Huts. Don't eat the packing peanuts.
Hudson. What? Oh my God, the noodles.
It's stuck to it.
Soft chews with real bacon and cheese.
Oh, keep them away from Jim.
Oh, Elena,
Bacon and cheese.
Beatriz Elena, look at this.
A winning combo.
They're bone shaped.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. I gotta stand up for this. They're bone shaped.
Oh, what do you think?
Look at this.
Yeah, look at them. Oh, those are cute.
Ooh,
I know.
Bacon and an egg.
What's he doing?
What is he sniffing so intently at?
Huts.
You don't want the bacon and egg right now? All right, well, we'll put it just aside, you know. Maybe he'll be. I spotted something else. I think he smells this one, and you know he loves this hot dog chews.
Oh, yeah.
So I think that's what he smells. Let's see if he has a hot dog chew. He loves the hot dog.
Bacon and eggs.
I know. I wouldn't say no to bacon and eggs, but Hudson's being picky right now.
He's picky.
How about a hot dog?
Ooh. Okay, now try the other one again.
Oh my God.
You know,
You know what? Listen.
The canine carrier.
It was a Memorial Day, and I was in the mood for a hot dog.
Yeah, try the other one.
Bacon eggs is for breakfast.
Oh.
That's what it is. It's not breakfast
Well,
time
let's see.
anymore.
I think he'll eat it. I think he'll eat it
But
anytime.
He wanted lunch first.
Ah!
Now he eats it. He's like, first hot dog, then bacon eggs. There's an order. James, there's an order to Hudson.
Oh, of course there is.
You know, he doesn't want to ruin his appetite by having second breakfast.
Of course not.
Now he wants another one. Look at this.
Now he likes.
Now he wants another
Hey, wait a
bacon
minute.
egg.
Wait a minute here.
Beatriz Elena, this was
Oh,
amazing.
Awesome, fantastic
Loves
job,
them.
Beatriz Elena.
Okay, now, wait a minute.
Digging in the box. Hudson's nose is in the box.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is for us, James. Oh,
betcha.
Ferrero Rocher.
that's
Fine
chocolate.
hazelnut chocolates.
Huds, wait. I'm going to throw him a canine carry out.
Oh, no, wait. Let's give him...
No, here. Here we go. Huds is off his...
Huds, come on back
Huds,
up. Have
come
another
on
hot
up.
dog. Come on back up.
Come on
Back
up,
up.
Huds. Yeah, look at him.
He's going to have another hot dog.
Yeah, he's having another hot dog.
So, look at
Oh,
this, James.
man, that's beautiful.
Now, it's right before dinner. Should we save these for our after dinner, or do you want to have one
I want to
now?
have one now.
Okay.
We have to.
Yeah.
We have to take one for the team. Oh, my God. Egads. Sweet Jesus. I can feel it. Look at
Oh, they smell
Huds, these are for us.
delectable. These are for us, James.
Here, give Hudson a little treat while we're...
I will,
wow.
I will. We're going to have one, and then I'll give Hudson a treat. I have
man.
plenty of treats over here. He can never have another bacon and egg. But I'm going to have one of my Ferrero Rocher.
Or should we share one?
Hazelnuts. No, the whole thing.
Okay.
Mmm.
Oh, man.
Mmm.
Guys, look at that.
Oh,
Oh, man.
Mmm.
Sweet Jesus. Oh, sweet Jesus.
Mmm. Mmm.
It's lighter than you think. It's really nice.
Airy
man.
and nice.
Holy crap. Oh, wow.
And Hudson had a bacon and egg.
Fantastic job,
Oh, these are delicious.
Beatriz Elena.
Extra,
Oh, man.
extra good. We'll talk more into these after dinner.
Keep them away from Jim.
Now, I spotted
3 a.m. Jim's heading out to the kitchen.
the card that I should have read first. Let's read the card. Look at the pretty
Oh, man, that chocolate
Look
is
at the pretty,
amazing.
rosette.
Yeah, really pretty. Let me get it close up.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guess who's grateful?
Googly eyes. Yeah, look at it.
To you today.
Hudson, what do you think?
Dear Karla, James, and Sweet Hudson, thank you for making your channel interesting, joyful, educational, and most importantly, friendly. Thank you for being my companions every time I watch your live streams. Thank you for making us feel like a big family. Thank you for sharing wonderful moments of Sweet Hudson. So guess who's grateful for you today? The same person who's grateful for you every day, but today you get a card. Thank you. Your faithful follower, Beatriz Elena.
Oh, Beatriz Elena, fantastic job.
Look at all the little...
Oh, look how pretty those are.
I know.
The summertime flowers.
Love those summertime flower stickers.
Yeah, beautiful. Look at Huds. Huds is like,
another bacon.
But Hudson, turn that down
Another
at
bacon
first.
and cheese.
Yeah. Ah, yes.
Yes.
Don't
yes.
mind if I do.
Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. I better seal these
Oh,
up.
there's more in there.
There is more in there, guys.
Oh, that chocolate, though. Oh, man.
Oh,
Oh, I know what that...
look, he's up.
Look, he's up. He's up.
Beatriz Elena, this is one of his favorite toys, is he loves the Kong Wubba.
Yeah.
We're going to go down the hall, but James, oh wait, there's chocolate.
He's going on.
Let me get Hudson down. Hudson, you can't have any chocolate now. Come on down. Wait, we're going to play with your Kong. We're going to play with your Wubba.
Coast is clear.
But,
Look at him.
but-
Look at him.
But there's more gifts, James. There's more gifts. Wait a minute. This is what Beatriz Elena made for us. She said she
careful.
made something out of resin.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so I'm going to take this box away.
Okay.
Because she said it's fragile.
Wait, I gotta give Hudson some.
Okay, give him...
I did. I took one. Oops. Hudson. Yeah, there you go. Very good bit. Oh,
Now
man.
this, I guess, is
Oh, wow.
this was on the outside of it.
Okay. Yeah!
Oh, no, he's...
Well, good. I don't want him to break anything.
No, it's... He's trying... These are noodles.
Oh, no, don't eat the noodle, Hutch. Did he get a noodle?
No, let me take it away.
All right, he got something.
Hudson, come back up. Come on. Hudson, come. Up. Up. Good boy.
Oh, that Hudson.
Oh, wait, there's a remote.
Oh, my
That's
God.
what this is.
You're kidding.
No, there's a remote control to this. And batteries for it. Oh,
Oh, wow.
I'm intrigued now.
Guys, look at this remote.
Wow.
Oh, man.
It's kind of like the remote for the lighting of our Lego builds.
Yeah, the Christmas one. The Seinfeld.
Yes.
Oh, man, look at this. Fantastic job, Beatriz Elena.
It's pyramidal shaped.
Yeah. Oh, it's good wrapping. That's why it arrived safely.
She wrote fragile on it. He's looking for more treats. He's underneath the table looking for more treats. He's looking for more treats. Hudson, come on back up. You'll get another treat if you come back up. Come on. There you go. Let me stop for a second. Let me give him another treat. I did promise him. Should he have a bacon and cheese, or
Yes.
should he have a hot dog mini?
Bacon and cheese.
Okay,
He's
bacon.
loving the bacon and cheese.
Bacon and cheese. I'm going to break it in half.
Yeah, he knows, but...
He's like, when you break it in half, that only counts as half a treat. That doesn't
Yeah.
count as a full treat.
I know you have the other half.
Oh,
Oh, my God!
oh my God.
Oh, my God! Look at it's us!
It's
us!
Hudson and pizza.
That is so
And
beautiful!
hot dog.
Look at the pizza! Oh, man!
Oh my God.
Oh,
Oh my God, and there's a hamburger.
little Yankees!
And there's a Yankee and a broccoli.
Ah, no! No, I'm losing it!
Oh my God. Wait. What do we do? Wait, we gotta figure, what do we do with the remote?
Look at that!
James.
There's James and Karla!
Help me
Look,
figure.
Karla with the glass, James with the...
I got my black glasses on.
Oh my God! It's look at Hudson.
Oh my God, look at it. It's
It
perfect.
looks just like Hudson.
I can't believe
Look
you
at
made
Hudson.
this.
What are you doing over here,
He
Hudson?
wants the other treat. I gave him half of the treat. He wants
It's
the other
going
half.
off. Look at it.
Oh my God.
Look at how beautiful that is.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! I
So wait.
love it.
Hold on.
How do you make something like that?
I can't believe it. This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen. Hold on, I gotta figure out how the remote works. It
Oh,
says
look at a pizza and a
push
hamburger
to
for
open.
James. Look. Oh, little hamburger. Oh.
James.
Oh,
It
let me
says
open it. No, that should be
Open,
fine.
Push to release.
No, that
Okay.
has a watch battery in it. That should be fine in there. I'll do it. Here.
Push to release.
Yeah.
Let me hold this up. Here, I'm gonna.
No,
should I
no,
come
you just
around?
pull this back a little bit. Here, hold this a sec.
Okay, let me come around. Hudson, you stay there. Hold on.
Here, show it all the details. And I'll,
Wow. Look at the nose. Beatriz Elena, this is gorgeous. I cannot believe you made this.
I know.
And I guess it's going to light up. I think that's what she's doing. Or what?
See, I think there's a
Look, he's
battery
after
in
the
there.
treat. James, he just
He
knocked
just-
over his treat bag.
he's trying to get into it.
He's trying to get to the bacon and egg treats. James, I'm gonna figure that out. Let me get a
No,
tool.
but I think there's a battery in this. These
No.
batteries obviously don't go in here. It's too thick.
Okay, hold this.
But just try putting the batteries in there. I bet it's going to work.
Oh, so there's a battery box underneath here? Oh, yes.
See, there's instructions.
Please insert batteries into pyramid. Okay.
Oh, man, that thing is so
Look
cool.
at this. Beatriz Elena Designs.
That is the coolest thing. Wow. Look at that.
So please insert
Oh,
batteries.
no, you just have a little
into the-
screw.
Oh, okay. A little screw.
Little screwdriver.
Got that.
You know.
And look at this.
Oh, man, those chocolates, though.
Look what I have.
Jason's still furtively and shamefully hiding in the kitchen tonight, eating chocolate after chocolate. Look at it. Oh, Karla's doing some work. That thing is the coolest thing. Beatriz Elena, fantastic.
Oh, he's after the treats. James.
Oh my God,
Wait,
this is
I don't want to lose
crazy.
this. Hold on.
That thing is the coolest thing.
All right, so I got that.
Yep,
All right.
now you.
Oh, he's having some water now.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta like get it started over this side. It looks like you pried a hole. It looks like someone's been in there. Like lift it up to the hole. Yeah.
There we
There you
go.
go.
There we go.
Oh wow. Wow. And then you pull that out.
RGB light. Open, close.
Yeah, pull it out.
Twist us tightly. Okay,
Good.
I pull
Perfect.
it out.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is crazy. It's awesome.
Submersible LED light. Wait, so wait a minute. Where do I?
The batteries go on the bottom of that, obvious. You know. Yeah. You unscrew it.
Oh, there's
my
batteries.
God, guys, this is crazy.
Oh, she put batteries in there already.
Oh, cool. Those are spares.
Please insert batteries into pyramid.
You did. But let's see if it'll work, if the lights work. Screw it back together. Then get this, and let's see if the light turns on while it's unplugged. Or do we have to get a... It is.
There it goes.
Oh, man.
There it goes.
Oh, man, I'm going to turn it off. Because I want to see the full effect.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
Oh, my God. Ah! I can't. JK and Hudson.
Oh, he's eating the treats. He's
No.
eating the treats. He
Hudson.
spilled them. He's
Hudson.
eating all the treats. They spilled on the floor. He's eating
He's
all
clever.
the treats. Oh my God, he just
Hudson.
ate like 20 of them.
No, he didn't eat 20.
I think, well, he
2
ate a
or
lot
3.
a bunch.
Ah!
He spilled them on the...
It's mayhem.
Get up here.
It's mayhem.
At first he wouldn't even eat one of them, and now he spilled
Oh,
it
he
on
loves
the floor.
some Beatriz Elena. Oh my God, this is Beatriz Elena Designs. Look at it.
So hold on.
How that looks really professional, impressive on the bottom. That's crazy. I can't get over it.
This is so gorgeous.
Oh my God.
Okay, guys.
Guys, we're back.
We're back. I finished.
Ah.
So these are extra batteries. We did not need to put, these are extra batteries
Oh, yeah.
that Beatriz
Yeah,
Elena
it already
gave
came
us.
outfitted.
So let's...
Here we go. We're going to
should-
light up the candle.
Let's
We're gonna
light
fire it up.
Light
Here
her
we
up.
go. Here, you get the honors. Or
No,
want
you
me
do
to?
it.
Okay,
Yeah.
here we go. Oh my God.
Oh, wait, should we turn the light off?
Yeah, turn the light off. Look, flash, strobe, smooth. Oh, let's do strobe.
Oh, wow.
Oh, man.
Oh, my God.
That looks absolutely beautiful.
Wait, should I hold it up?
Yeah. Oh, my God. And look, it has like... What
You
that
can
do?
do different effects, I think,
Yeah.
James.
There we go. Oh, that looks great.
Look at
Guys,
Hudson
look at how
looking-
cool that is.
Look at Hudson looking at it. Selena,
loves
this is so gorgeous.
Oh my God, that's the coolest thing ever. Oh my God, Beatriz Elena, fantastic job. We're gonna put it right up on our shelf.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put it in the place of honor. James, do you want to make it blinking again?
Yeah. Oh, that is great. Look, it fades into one another.
Oh man.
Wait.
Oh, I love it. Here, let me show.
Oh no, fade isn't the way to go.
Oh no, that's beautiful. I like the pink because of the neon.
Yeah, hang on.
Yeah, keep it on that pink.
I'm trying. There we go.
Oh, look at it. It's different effects. Guys, can you see that?
Yeah, that's why
can you see the pizza? Can you see the hamburger, the Yankees? You see the broccoli, right? I'm going to turn. There's two broccolis. There's one over here. James, can I turn it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
See the broccoli back there?
Yep.
Or is it just the one broccoli?
No, it's a mirror, like.
Oh yeah, it's
like a mirror.
Yeah.
Look at me and Karla in there.
Oh my God! Look at
that
us.
is the nicest. That's the coolest thing.
That's the
nicest
sweetest, amazing thing.
Yeah.
And Hudson loves it too.
Oh, I love
He's
it.
He's kissing my arm because he's so excited.
Yeah, that's great.
Extra good.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, count time. You ready, Hudson?
Yeah, check if the coast is clear.
Let me move that back.
Film. Okay.
Okay, coast is clear, guys. Coast is clear.
There we go.
Look at him jumping. You want me to do it?
Yeah, you toss it.
Oh, good throw.
Good throw. Nice one. That's a fantastic throw. Here, I'm going to zoom in. 3.
Wow, top speed. Top speed.
Speed. Oh my God, look at him.
All right, one more time.
Yeah. Oh, he loves it. Look how much he loves it.
Oh, Beatriz Elena, the contour is one of his favorites.
Oh man. Come on. Oh, that
One
was
more.
fantastic. All right.
Because he's got to work off all those bacon and egg treats.
Yeah. Oh my God.
There he goes.
That was fantastic.
So, Beatriz Elena, that was so sweet. So incredibly sweet. I mean, honest, I'm blown away.
Yeah, me too.
I'm blown away.
Oh, I can't wait till it gets dark out. We could just sit here and look at it. Oh man, look at all the details.
I know.
It's just beautiful.
Absolutely. I mean, it's stunning. I mean, I swear.
Absolutely beautiful.
So sweet. And the chocolates for us.
Yeah.
And the treats for Hudson. You see, he's playing
Listen,
with
you hear it? Yeah,
he's
perfect.
playing with the Kong in the background.
Guys,
thank you so
Beatriz
much.
Elena,
That was
thanks
so
much.
sweet of you.
Can't believe it. We're going to go over it during one of the
The bill.
puzzles too.
Extra good. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.